How to move apps from the app library to the home screen on iPhone. In today's video, I'll show you how to move apps from the app library to the home screen on your iPhone. It's quick, easy, and works on the latest iOS versions. Let's get started. First, swipe left through your home screen pages until you reach the app library. Next, find the app you want to move. You can browse through the app categories or use the search bar at the top to locate it faster. Once you find the app, press and hold its icon. When the menu appears, tap Add to Home Screen. The app will instantly be added to the next available space on your home screen. You can also move apps using another method. Press and hold the app icon until it lifts, then drag it to the left. Keep holding it as your iPhone switches back to the home screen. Then drop the app wherever you want to place it. If you don't see the Add to Home Screen option, the app may already be on your home screen. In that case, simply use the drag and drop method to move it to a different location, and that's it. That's how you can move apps from the app library to the home screen on your iPhone quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.